new shell. The, the old tortoise always complained about his heavy and blue shell. One day he found a brightly colored abandoned shell in the woods. He happily swapped his old shell for the new one. Look, now I'm the most fashionable tortoise, he exclaimed. However, when it rained, the tortoise realized his new shell was not waterproof and was very fragile. Water seeped in and the new shell almost broke. She quickly went back to find his old shell. This heavy shell is my best holding. You is my strongest protector, the tortoise mumbled. Moral: appreciate what you have because the most glamorous is not always the best.